had a request to do an accordion book, and I've never done an accordion book. So first step is researching. I'm confident I could do an accordion book. Just need to look at a physical sample and find out exactly what the client wants. So we're working on that. So here is the book. It's a little vintage book. And I collect other vintage books. So when I have the chance, I order. My Medea's coming out. I order vintage books. Maybe I don't even have to share that. Let me see. Don't want to accidentally bend anything or cut anything. My overbuilt letter opener there. Gotta be gentle. Okay. Push, don't pull. Okay, so this is just a little vintage postcard book. That was good wrapping. That was good wrapping, seller. Thanks. Okay, can see the chain's in the way. Let me do this. Seller Aaron something. Okay. Make sure I'm in frame. All right, take out this lovely little thing. I got this one specifically, not just because it was vintage, but because of the way it opens on the horizontal instead of like this. Okay. So it's accordioning out. Okay. Arizona. Oh, my other webcam's on the right, so I keep putting it under here, but I have an overhead. I've got two cameras. Okay. Because this is printed on both sides. That's what we're wanting to look at. It opens, it hangs. Oh, I can show you this way. It hangs like this. So this is what the client's wanting, something that can attach to the wall and hang this way. And then she also wants it printed on both sides. Not all accordion books are printed on both sides. And so this is cute, and I'm not opposed to this for her book, that how it's attached. Yeah, how it's attached like this, which you can see is folded over and glued. Now, I'm not saying that I would be fine with just that being glued for a book that's going to be used over and over again. It's a holiday book, advent calendar type, but we could do some other binding. I would talk with the printer and see what they recommend. It's going to depend on a lot of different things, weight being one of those. But I mean, that is what I do, is I build a book from scratch. Customize it. I find out what the client wants, what the project needs to be, what's best for the user, the reader, and get with the printer and see what their recommendations are. Since they are the book manufacturers, they're going to know more about glues and binding styles and can guide me. So they also did duplex printing on the cover for this, which is cool. Grand Canyon National Park, Arizona. So that is a little accordion book, and this is a postcard, so it folds, it closes like a postcard here. So very cool. I wonder if they have one for Texas, Big Bend maybe. So Mr. and Mrs. William J. Carp, 4909 Lay Pier Avenue in Port Huron, Michigan. And stamps were $1. Which one? I mean, a cent. Stamps were a cent. Do it this way. Many moons ago. And not sure what year. I can't read the postmark on that. Back to the glasses. Just can't make that out. Doesn't matter. I just think it's fun. It's just fun. We'll never know.